Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to learn all about how to grow Lamium or dead nettle. It's a gorgeous plant from Europe and Northern Asia. I always try to find out where a plant is native, and then that will give me clues on how to grow it. Now, the dead nettle or Lamium is native to Europe and to northern parts of Asia. So it can handle cold temperatures. It can go all the way down to zone 4, but it can also handle pretty warm temperatures all the way down to zone 10, which would be southern Europe. And they're very, very hardy. So Lamiums are very frost hardy, and they grow well in moist soils. They've got to have a lot of moisture to do well. And depending on the variety, it depends on the light requirement. The white and the purple flowered species are planted in the spring and they like full hot sun, whereas the yellow flowered ones are planted in the fall and they like shade. So they often have invasive habits and they need plenty of room. So you can start them from seed or by division in early spring with either one, but they'll do great in your garden.